So what exactly is it? It's a 54
Ford Courier.
Ford Courier.
They used them for hearse and delivery cars. And
Hey, well, we're here on location. We're gonna do a little fence right here. Looks like Richard got our posts in right here. These are all concreted. This fence is for the Thunderbird Resort. We're doing a privacy fence here to give the clients that rent this place a little bit of privacy, so you can block out 89 right there. We're gonna start by putting the 2x4s in here, 3 of them, and then we'll do a gate. And then these slats right here I picked up at Lowe's are going to be for the privacy. We're going to go ahead and get the stringers on here, the 2x4s, and then I like to pin nail the slats on and then come back and screw everything. We're down doing the fence, and Richard showed up and said Ed wants me to come up to his shop and talk to him. I don't know what's going on, but we'll find out here shortly, I guess. Ed is the owner of the resort, Thunderbird Resort, here in Mount Carmel, Utah. Also my landlord, so we're gonna go check it out, see what he's got going on. He's probably got something cool going on. Oh boy, what we got going on here, Ed?
54 Ford sedan delivery.
Oh my heck.
It's got a lot of straight panels, Clayton.
Yes, it does.
Hopefully come out straight. It's been French, all the doors been shaved, the latches.
Wow.
Fenders have been French.
That thing's sick. What's the power plant?
It's a 351 Cleveland, I think.
Wow.
This used to be a beautiful car, it was purple, but it got in an accident in the front end.
Where did it come from?
Alton's where he got it from.
Oh, Alton?
It was rusted, it was bad, the whole front end was crunched.
Oh my heck.
Fenders were all rusted all the way around, we welded them up and re-Frenched these. And,
Oh man.
isn't that cool?
And there's your bezel, huh?
Yeah, I can't find the centerpiece. Of course, Marv goes and he puts that textured crap on it. Now I gotta take all that off. He did that.
That is gonna be sweet.
Yeah, it sits right on the ground.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
It's not a YouTube shop because of my sound system over there. You can't listen to music, right?
Yeah, you got quite a sound system. You've seen Jeff's got the Challenger. Did you see that?
Yeah, I'm watching, yeah.
Jeff, he's a hoot. So, chrome, here's the tips.
Yeah, those Challenger, those are nice.
That's factory.
Yeah,
And he knows Mopar too.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Has Merlin got your motor yet?
No, I gotta go. You wanna go?
Yeah, I want to go. I got a little trailer I want to take down, leave for the winter.
I just need to pick a day and go. So where's the trike?
Your trike?
Yeah,
Merlin's original trike?
Merlin's trike, and then I ended up with it, and then you ended up with it.
I'd like to get it back to Merlin.
How did that happen?
Oh, I know, isn't that cool? What I'd like to do is put a decent front end on it and some golf cart tires on it.
Yeah, Merlin had that when we were kids. Then I ended up with it, what, 10 years ago?
Yeah,
And then here it sits.
yeah, here it sits.
That's a good spot for it. That's a good spot for it.
But I'd like to put some different axles under it and put a golf cart rim and find a good front end, you know?
Yeah,
Get it raked way out there.
make a chopper.
Yeah.
Well, that's sweet, Ed.
I'm gonna keep sanding.
Yep. Okay, well, we'll have you a fence built today.
It's nice.
I got to build the gate still, but I wanted to get everything buttoned up before I even measured for the gate.
Did you
So.
see where I those gaps are in that fence?
Yep.
Between, what do we do there?
Just put a little section there.
You got it? Figured out?
Well, it's just metal, right? Or do you want wood?
Well, I was gonna do it, Clayton. I've been a month on this car, and I'm not gonna quit till it's in
I can just chop saw it and make a little chunk there and do whatever. So what color? You going back?
There's a flip-flop green to root beer brown. This guy has a 52 Chevy that comes to the car show. And one way you look at it, it's root beer brown. You look at it the other way in the sun, it's green. And it looks like it's flake. There's not a bit of flake in it. And however reason with the water-based paint, it makes it look like there's flake in it. So that's where we're going.
So you even got the original bumpers.
Yeah.
They can re-chrome those down in St. George.
I'm going to grind them down and maybe paint them a black chrome.
Are you?
Because you don't need chrome bumpers unless you plan on running into stuff.
That's true. That's true.
Paint will hold up.
Yeah.
So I was going to do all the accents in a black chrome. Just paint it. Then you can just grind that. The channel's doing okay.
It is. It's growing finally.
You know, I feel bad you're using that friggin' Hunter like a mule or something.
I'm pimping him out. Wouldn't you?
It seems to work. For whatever reason,
he's popular.
Yeah.
People like him.
You know who I like to watch? Jimmy.
Oh yeah.
Have you watched?
Jet Ski Jimmy.
I was sleeping. I just get so relaxed watching yours.
Well, the other day I was looking through some old photos when Merlin came and got Roger's old record. That 72 that I got from Cleo Lamb.
The blue one?
The blue one, yeah. Jet Ski Jimmy was in that. I didn't recognize him from those pictures, but now that I know him, I was going back through the video and stuff and seen him. I went into Hunter and says, "Did you know Jet Ski Jimmy?" And he says, "Yeah."
A year or two ago.
5.
Yeah, 5.
but their cameraman showed up in a Porsche or something, and
it was a Corvette.
That's what drew Hunter in.
Yeah.
Because Hunter was there with me. That was before he started working at Fabrats.
Right.
So he got to meet Jet Ski Jimmy, and Merlin just loves Hunter for whatever reason.
Well, he's pimping him out, man. All right, Clayton, I gotta keep going.
How cool was that? Ed had me come up and look at his Ford that he's working on. That thing is sick. It's gonna make such a cool car. I better get back to the fence before the guys fire me. Okay, well, I'm gonna go see how the boys are doing. Looking good.
You're right. We're arguing with each other.
Are ya?
Right. Yeah.
Who's winning?
Maggie.
The dog. That looks good. This job is basically a wrap. We still got to build a gate, but I needed to get all the slats on before I could get the measurement. And over here in this corner, we got this extra piece of fence here, or rail. So we'll cut that off there. I'll take the strap out of there, weld them on the bottom, throw some holes in it, call it a day. So today, I've got to modify this rail right here. This is the chunk that's left over from the job over at the resort. And this piece here is gonna fit perfect. So what I need to do is cut this off, cut these flanges off right here, get them 4 inches and weld them onto the bottom of here for so they can bolt it down to the concrete. This electric bandsaw is brand new. I've never used it before. I'm about to learn how well it works. Even if it works, I don't know. Come in from the top. I've never run one of these before, so I have no clue if they cut straight, how they even work, basically. It looks to me like I should just cut right there, clean it up. Let's give it a whirl. Chatters, I have no clue. It's all new to me. It's brand new out of the box. There we go. It is cutting, and it's cutting pretty straight. with woodworking tools, you always want to run the fence against the edge, but I'm finding that trying to do that is not working at all. So I've just got to basically center my material on the blade and hold it. I think that's about it. Oh, now I need to cut that off, that off. I need 2 of these 4 inches long like this to weld on here. That's the piece I need, and I need those tabs welded on right there. Get us a 3/8 bit. See what we got here. And I got to get that sawdust off there so we don't start a fire, but I can see that thing catching in the drill bit and spinning around and smashing your fingers. So I need to probably just screw a little fence right onto my platform here. Screw something right in there like that. Probably work. Is that centered? Let's center it right there. Okay, here we go. Ta-da, there's number 1. Okay, there you go. Let's go see if I remember how to weld. I might have to get Hunter down here to weld for me. He's getting to be a pretty good little welder. All right, so I got the flanges welded onto this piece, and it's gonna go just like that. Looks just like the rest of the fence. And I've still got to build a gate. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. So anyway, I was driving by and seeing that Ed had the clip on and thought I better whip in here because I'm actually airing this in the morning. This is it. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's a 54?
54 Ford Courier.
Courier. 54 Ford Courier. So what exactly is it? It's a 54
Ford Courier. We used them for hearse and delivery cars. And
I can see that.
First, yeah.
Yeah. What was this one? Do you know what the history is?
I have no idea.
It looks good, Ed.
This way,
Yeah.
it doesn't do top, it swings,
No, it
to the
swings open.
side.
It's a 3-door.